Kia ora, Amber from JB Hi-Fi here, and today we're talking about something that will seriously upgrade your cleaning game, the LG CordZero A9X-AUTO Handstick Vacuum. If you're sick of wrestling with cords, switching nozzles, and dealing with the dreaded dust cloud when emptying the bin, this vacuum has you sorted. Let's start with one of its best features, auto dust emptying. Just dock the vacuum in the all-in-one tower and it automatically empties the bin. If you've ever emptied a vacuum and then sneezed for 5 minutes straight, you'll appreciate this. The tower's 3-step filtration system also locks away dirt and dust particles, so they're not floating back into the air. Speaking of the all-in-one tower, it's not just for emptying, it's also your vacuum's home base. It stores, charges, and keeps all your accessories in one place, so everything is tidy and ready to go when you need it. And the best part? No need to mount it to a wall. Just set it up wherever it's most convenient. Now let's talk power. The LG CordZero A9X packs an impressive 280 watts of suction power. Translation, this thing sucks, in the best way possible. Whether you're dealing with crumbs, pet hair, or that mysterious fluff that seems to appear out of nowhere, this vacuum has you covered. But power doesn't have to mean heavy. At just 2.9 kgs, this vacuum is super lightweight, making it easy to clean your entire home without feeling like you've been to the gym. And to make things even easier, the dual floor max nozzle with LED lights works on both hard floors and carpets. No swapping attachments needed. Just vacuum away and the LED lights will even help you spot hidden dust and dirt. And because everything is getting smarter these days, so is your vacuum. With the LG Think app, you can check the status of your filters, monitor battery life, and even track your cleaning history, all from your phone. No more guessing when it's time to clean the filter or wondering if your battery is fully charged. Oh, and one last thing. The LCD screen on the vacuum adjusts to your angle, so no awkward head tilting is required to check your settings. Just glance down and you'll see everything you need. So if you're after a vacuum that's powerful, smart, and seriously easy to use, check out the LG CordZero A9X-AUTO Handstick Vacuum. It stores, charges, empties itself, and works on all floor types. What more could you want? Grab yours now at JB Hi-Fi or online at jbhifi.co.nz.